Today we're unboxing a package that came from my subscriber Michelle and her son Max, and they sent us these Bionicles, and we can't wait to get into it.
Ooh!
Okay, right off the bat we got this guy.
Oh, look! Look at the axe-like things and like
These are pincers.
pincers and like his mouth. Oh, he has like 4 legs. Look at that print on it. Like this body thing, it's like an actual normal body, but it's red.
There's a couple bodies in there.
There is? Oh yeah, there is.
Yeah.
There's like 2.
Very cool. And we don't have anything like these guys. Awesome.
Whoa. Ooh. Look at his tail.
Whoa. And look, he's got like a brain. Yikes. That's a scary looking dude.
No, it's actually 2 pieces. It's
Wow.
that piece, and you put that thing on. Oh, I like this guy's claw.
Yeah, he's like a tree man. Kind of.
Like a tree ogre.
Tree. Yeah, oops. Alright, here's our next dude.
Ooh, he looks like a yeti, like with the look at that. Like it makes his hands look big, and like you can punch at people with it. Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh, this is a sword, I think. Like the big sword. Kind of looks like a bow.
Yeah, it's like a double blade bow. This guy's too cool. Oh, here's a guy missing arms.
He's still cool.
He's still
Look,
cool.
he has a gun
Oh, he's got a launcher.
and like this little tube thing. These things, I think these are like jetpacks.
Wow.
Look at those legs. Like it has 2 feet of
Oh yeah.
claw.
Yeah, our other ones have 3 claws. These only have 2.
And like these legs are really cool.
And look, he's got a
Eyeball.
cyclops eye. Killer. Oh.
There's the guy in the book. That's the guy in the book.
The book Stone's talking about is this excellent Lego book. It's a 60th anniversary edition, and I highly recommend it. It's by DK Books. We're going to turn to the Bionicles section, and there's that guy. He's called the Core Collector. Here's some of the other guys. This is from 2010 or so. And here's some other Bionicle sets from the time period. I've got to guess that some of these represent some of the guys we've got from the box. Now let's get back to the action.
How many eyes does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he's not really a spider.
Enough to see you with. Alright. Oh, this is my dude.
Look at his legs. They're like doubled.
He's got double legs.
Like an alien gun, that.
Wow, look at that weapon.
Look at this guy's helmet. Like this is actually a separate
Oh.
piece. Like it goes on top of that. Like with this piece. And it just goes on top of that. Look at the back.
Look at that. It's got like a double. Oh, look, see, it's like kind of like double action.
And,
All right.
and it's
Neat. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a little dude.
Ooh, this guy thing is cool. It's like
Wow.
these are like grapplers, so he can go like Spider-Man.
I think we've got a picture of this guy in the book too. Is that him right there?
No, wait, it has his helmet on.
What's his name?
Actually, Bree.
Oh, Natalie Breeze. It's a girl. Cool. All right. Don't mess with her.
This guy's
He's a
like,
little guy.
This guy's one of the last. That helmet's pretty cool. Ooh, look at these feet.
Oh, wow.
His sword is pretty cool.
Now, we don't have any feet like that. And I like making vehicles and stuff. I could see,
That
I
color
don't
is
know,
pretty
like making
neat.
a motorcycle fender. See?
That color is pretty cool.
Yeah, this color, this maroon. It's neat how organic looking these are. All right, let's see what else we got. Yep.
Ooh, he had a double sword.
Oh,
But look at this. Look at his feet. Look at his sword.
look at his face. He's got like a rhino horn.
Yeah. Like, look at this sword.
Oh.
It's like, look, like, it's like all these things are angled. Like,
Yeah, it's fixed.
fixed. That's cool. And like, this blade is really cool. Wonder if that's a separate piece inside of it.
No, it's just painted. which is kind of rare for Lego that it's not all one color. But you can see right there's a line where it's painted.
Ooh, that's super cool. It's like a cyber blade and a normal blade. Ooh.
Yo, this dude's gonna do some breakdancing. Hang on. He's got a shield.
Yeah. Ooh, this could be like a gun and a drill. Ooh, Dad, look.
Let's take a look at that. Neat visor. Check this out.
Oh, I like the see-through pieces. Look.
Yeah, and I don't have any kind of shield piece like this. This would make an awesome radar dish for some other creation. They call me the hunter. What's that say on his shield?
Rhino or something.
It says Stormer.
And look at this guy is like has an actual bow. Like unlike the
Wow.
other guy. This guy just looks more like a sword, but that looks like an actual bow.
Here, fight. Oh, hey, no thanks. I already shaved this morning. Wow.
Oh, he has like a double gun. And ooh, look at that chest piece.
Yeah, I like see this. So this Hero Factory has these H's, and that's basically how you can determine their Hero Factory Bionicles.
That guy has the same thing as that guy has like the same helmet as this guy, but it's blue. Maybe these guys are like friends or something.
Oh,
See?
let's get a close up of that.
Dang, this guy has bad posture.
My wife teaches Pilates, and looks like he could do for a few sessions. Yikes. Okay. Oh, I think we just have the remnants now. Here's another guy with questionable posture. That could be made into something cool.
Ooh, that guy doesn't have any feet or hands. Oh, that chest piece is really cool.
Yeah, I like that chest piece a lot. This is cool. Look at that. Look at that thing.
Looks like it's been taken apart.
Yeah, this was something. I don't know what these pieces are, but I'm looking at it and I'm already
Kind of
thinking.
looks like a motorcycle.
It does.
Does it have
Maybe
like a wheel?
maybe this was a vehicle for one of these guys. If any of y'all know, and tell me in the comments what you recognize about these and what the names of the sets are. I'm going to try to do some research too.
We have one, but it has like these on that.
Right. Well, that's what's cool is we're going to make our own guys out of these. All right. Let's see what else we got here.
What is this?
I don't know, but it's cool. Oh, a tripart. And look at these things. Very cool.
Dad, we have like one of these, but it looks like a bug.
Yeah.
We have like one that's kind of like a side
We in our last unboxing video, we found some other Bionicle type parts, and they have this same sort of flame paint job. So I wonder if those originally came in a set together.
Dad, this thing right here, that suit, like that thing can go onto this.
Yeah.
So then he could have like a humongous gun.
Oh, a gun, or again, I'm thinking in vehicle terms, this would be awesome like on a motorcycle. Look, it's already got an exhaust.
But it has a hand.
Hand-schmand. I want my motorcycle part.
Ooh! Wait, is this blade like rubber? Yeah, this blade's like rubbery.
Wow. Yeah, some flexibility to this. That's cool.
That blade's super.
We got all kinds of doodads here.
Oh, there's another one of these blade things that other guy, that the maroon guy had. Oh, Dad, this is the wheel. This is the wheel.
Yeah. A
Ooh,
wheel
this
part.
thing. Oh, Dad, this thing I think goes in here.
Squeeze it.
Then you-
Neat.
We have some of these.
Yeah, we have. Oh, look at this thing. It's like a double scoop. And again, I'm thinking this would be cool as like an engine part. We got some great stuff. Once again, we'd like to thank you all for watching and for subscribing and sharing. And especially, what would we like to say to Max, who is the boy who used to have these, and he sent them to us to play with. What do you have to say to Michelle and Max?
Thank you. This is
Thank you so much, and thanks to everybody who's watched and subscribed, and hope 2021 gets better and better for y'all. We know today it's gotten much better for us.